Cereset is actually rooted in quantum physics. So there is a law in quantum physics, the law of observation or the observation effect, where basically it states if you observe a quantum system, just that act of observing changes that system. So we took it a step further and developed a technology that enabled the brain to observe itself. And just that act of observing itself, because the brain has its own awareness, the brain is able to change itself.
Yeah, and so I think that's a great segue into what does that observation look like and how is it able to do that, and why is the brain being able to observe itself want to make changes when it can actually understand what it's doing in real time?
Right. So with Cereset, we use musical tones for the brain to observe itself. So basically we use specialized EEG sensors, which are placed on the client's scalp. And those measure the brain's electrical activity or brainwave activity. And like we talked about, that's just the brain's language, how the brain is communicating with itself and the body. And our software converts those brain activities into corresponding musical frequencies. So that is just like translating language. Go from English to French or French to English, same thing. We're taking electrical activity, changing it to musical frequency. And that happens really fast in real time, and that's played to the client in real time while they're just relaxing. Most of our clients even sleep through their sessions. And the brain very quickly picks up on, hey, this is me. And once it's able to recognize itself in the echo, it uses that information to begin making changes because it can see where there are imbalances between the left and the right hemisphere, or where there's areas in the brain that may be overactivated or underactivated, and the brain can then self-adjust.